Welcome to the audiobook summary of The Only Skill That Matters by Jonathan A. Levi. In this insightful book, Levi challenges traditional notions of success and education, emphasizing the importance of developing a meta-skill that can revolutionize your learning abilities. Let's explore the key concepts presented by Levi in this concise summary. Chapter 1. Rethinking Success in Education. Levi questions the traditional approach to success and education, highlighting the need for a different mindset in today's rapidly changing world. He introduces the concept of a meta-skill that can empower individuals to continuously learn and adapt to new challenges. Chapter 2. The meta-skill of meta-learning. The core concept of the book is the meta-skill of meta-learning. Levi defines meta-learning as the ability to quickly and effectively learn new skills. By mastering this meta-skill, individuals can enhance their learning capabilities and stay ahead in an ever-evolving landscape. Chapter 3. The DS Model, Deconstruction, Selection, and Sequencing. Levi introduces the DS model as a framework for efficient learning. Deconstruction involves breaking down complex skills into manageable parts. Selection helps identify the most essential components to focus on. Sequencing determines the optimal order in which to learn those components. Chapter 4. Deliberate Practice and Mindset. Deliberate practice, characterized by focused and intentional efforts, is key to skill mastery. Levi explores the importance of mindset, emphasizing the need for a growth mindset that embraces challenges and believes in the capacity for improvement. Chapter 5. Strategies for Effective Learning. Levi provides practical strategies to enhance memory, improve focus, and optimize learning. Techniques like spaced repetition, visualization, and habit stacking are introduced to make learning more efficient and effective. Chapter 6. Self-directed Learning and Lifelong Growth. Levi encourages readers to take ownership of their education and embrace self-directed learning. He highlights the value of setting personal learning goals, leveraging technology and online resources, and cultivating a mindset of lifelong learning. Conclusion. The Only Skill That Matters by Jonathan A. Levi challenges conventional notions of success and education, highlighting the importance of developing the meta-skill of meta-learning. By mastering this skill, individuals can enhance their learning capabilities, adapt to change, and thrive in a dynamic world. Thank you for listening to this audiobook summary of The Only Skill That Matters. Begin your journey of meta-learning and unlock your potential for continuous growth and success. End of the audio summary.